Here are the 15 jobs that will thrive in the future. Number 1. Robot manufacturer and service man. The biggest e-commerce stores and factories already employ large amounts of robots. 40% of the world's robots are currently in the auto industry, but other sectors want in. As of 2018, on average, one droid equals 5.6 paid workers, according to research. And the number of robots in the workspace is expected to triple in the next 10 years. So where do you come in? Someone will have to build those robots. The thing is, it's probably going to be robots building them as well. So your only shot is to be one of the people that builds the robots, which builds other robots. If you don't make the cut there, you might want to focus on robot maintenance. These things will require upgrades, updates, and have their oil changed. Somebody's got to take care of the robots. This might not sound glamorous, but it will, however, be a highly lucrative business.